This is the Advantage DX-9000-XLT, our extra-tall 4-post lift engineered for quality, safety, and strength, and assembled right here in Warren, Ohio. As the name suggests, the XLT is extra tall, giving you the confidence to lift safely and securely, and the space to store a truck or SUV underneath with ease. The XLT has a 9,000-pound lifting capacity, making it ideal for a wide range of vehicles, from sports cars to full-size pickups. The overall length of the lift is 211 inches, with the width of the lift being 114 inches. Each post stands 105 inches tall, and with the lift fully raised and resting on the top lock, you'll have about 87.5 inches of clearance underneath, more than enough room to walk, work, or park another vehicle below. Like all Advantage lifts, the DX-9000-XLT uses a mechanical locking system with a secondary slack cable safety, providing 2 layers of protection every time you lift. A box steel frame ensures long-term strength and stability, while a durable powder-coated finish helps protect against corrosion and wear. Every DX-9000-XLT comes standard with 4 drip trays, wheel chocks, automatic engaging wheel stops, a mobile caster kit, and an ETL-recognized power unit. Plus, it's backed by our industry-leading warranty and is ALI certified. The Advantage DX-9000-XLT, assembled in America and built for quality, safety, and strength. Order yours today at realgaragelife.com.